How to fix Glovo delivery stuck in a transit. Here, the very first thing that you need to do is check your live tracking. For that, what you're going to do is simply get to the application and make sure you're logged into your account. Then you can simply tap on the orders and get to your active order in the Glovo and check if the Glovo or the courier is at the store, moving or stopped. You can actually track that from that active order, and then you can actually tap on the contact icon on the order screen to reach out to your Glovo for an update. So even after doing that, if they are being unreachable, then you can actually tap on the help or contact support on the order page to notify the Glovo that your delivery is actually stuck. Then you can cancel or claim the refund. If the Glovo has been stationary for an unreasonable amount of time, then you can request support to reassign the order or cancel it for full refund, and that way I'm pretty sure you'll be able to fix your Glovo delivery stuck in transit.